The people who know where the firearms coming from, who bring in the firearms and allowing the firearms to be in St. Lucia, and then they sit back and say the police are not doing anything about crime, the government are not doing about crime, but they are the ones facilitating the importation of illegal guns. My message is to them that even if you feel that you are not responsible, and even if you feel that just because you are not the one pulling the trigger or pointing the gun at somebody, you are very responsible for the kind of mayhem and chaos that we are seeing today with gun violence. You need to check yourself and take responsibility for the fact that you have allowed illegal guns in this country that are killing people, that are intimidating people, that are frightening people, and that are causing a lot of crime and violence. And these are the people I want to hear this message.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Now I started the video off with this lady. She is a politician in St. Lucia, and she was carjacked, and the police end up kill the youth in the area where the jewelry robbery, close to that area where the jewelry robbery man them come from. Now I play this because this clip was not part of this video that I planned to do. But when I saw this, it really touched me, and it really shows how St. Lucia is out of control. And I don't really think people understand that. St. Lucia, if they had the same amount of population like Jamaica, they would be more crime than Jamaica, and I've done the stats. So with this said, I'm doing this video right here to unveil a new gang that's running in St. Lucia under the table, under the nose of people, under the radar. And this gang was a part of the Conway crew with Panhead and the whole of them, and they had a falling out. And this guy I'm gonna talk about and introduce, and the name of the gang, he's an underboss and he's fast rising, and he has done some killing. So you guys stay tuned to the video and see who I'm talking and what's going on. With that said, good day my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now mystery lady, big up yourself. Editor boss, St. Lucia boss, St. Mary boss. Yo, I want big up my brethren in Canada, my Vincent brethren. Big up yourself. Big up my friend them in St. Vincent. Me have friends all over. You understand? And big up my friends them in Trinidad too. I like me say one heap of stuff. Me have so much information coming in, you know. Now, with that said, let's go and talk about this. The situation on the island of St. Lucia is very intense. It is increasingly, and it is also escalating with violence, tied to an ongoing conflict between two key figures in the underworld. Now, This story is about a man them call named Bunno. And if you guys don't know Bunno, I am going to show you who Bunno is. His real name is Derek. And you see, his activity has ignited serious concern. Bunno is a reputed figure, you know, right there in the Conway gang. And him have a history of violent incident, and him is connected to Peterson and Paned and the boy named Smokey. But guess what? A peer betrayal and fallout and shifting alliance right round the side of Conway. Now Derek, aka Bunno, him and Peterson was good friend. If you don't know Peterson, you know say, I do a video upon him, and this is the picture right here, because him and Marvin was good friends too, and them fell out. Now, the tension between Derek and Peterson, which is Bunno, has contributed to a great deal of instability in the capital, in St. Lucia, the streets of St. Lucia, and I'm hoping the authorities understand that. Now, this youth here, Bunno, he is alleged to be involved in 3 murders, and all the murders has gone unchecked by the authority. Now, one thing that's going on in St. Lucia, and I don't think the authorities them pick this up, the local community is increasingly aware of Bunno, aka Derek notoriety. The youth Bunno, what's unique about him, he's doing dirt murders and them thing there, and he tries to keep a low profile. He's not flashy, he's none of those things. But despite his action to be in the shadow, Bunno, him have some serious connection to Panhead and a youth named Smokey. Now, there's other influential figures that him have links with too. Word of note, you see Smokey and the boy Derek Bunno, they were bench and Batty. They were 2 best of friends, cause Smokey in particular was openly supportive of Bunno, and even helped Bunno to get prominence with other man them in a castries. You understand? And people call them original gangsters. But I am gonna tell you their real name, because listen, things is about to get wild, and people in our castries and Conway and around the surrounding area, they know all of this. And like me say, people in Conway know exactly what's going on. Now, like I said before, them have a fragile alliance. A recent conflict make Derek get shot. Derek got shot. And this, I want you to listen to me carefully. And this shooting, or it, was ordered by Pan and him brother. So Pan and Panhead brother ordered the hit Pan Derek. Listen.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I didn't make this up. Okay? So I know people are gonna say, yo, how do I know these things? Yo, is my intel is people on the ground who have been involved. Them own a soldier. You understand? And soldiers telling me these things. Now, because of this, you understand? Because of this situation, Derek, he jumped ship from Conway and Pandem, because people have been talking about Derek said that is Pandem shooting. and this caused a big fiction. So now Derek jumped ship, and him and Smokey have a new thing going on, because Smokey, him come from Lakerry, and that's where Derek is now because of the fallout with Pan, and they are running a new gang by the name of the LA Gang. So I am the first to be calling this gang name, and I'm letting the authorities know that Bunno, aka Derek, and Smokey, and I'm gonna tell you guys where Smokey is in a minute, because of the fallout over there by Conway with Pan. Pan fall out with Smokey, him fall out with Marvin, him fall out with Pattison, him fall out now with Derek, cause they said that Pan had gotten locked up for Derek. It's just one big mix-up going on over there. So, because of that situation, Castridge is on edge, and Derek is the new sheriff in town. He's the new underboss. And like me say, this video right here is to introduce him to St. Lucia and to the world, because people think Countryman don't know. I know. Now, with that said, now look at that picture right there. That's Bunno, aka Derek, the new sheriff in town. That's his name. And that's him brethren with them call name Smokey. Him and Smokey, they're two peas in a pod. They never left each other. And like I stated earlier, when he fell out with Paned them, because people have been saying it's Paned and him brother shoot Derek in him chest, and they said Derek had did something to their uncle, and Paned had went to jail before Derek. It's just one big mix-up, but Paned was running that crew, and this guy here, Derek, him break away, and Smokey pull him away, and Smokey had a crew by the name of LA Gang, and that's when my youth now, Derek, joined the gang, and Smokey leave and went to America, and I heard Smokey's in America sending down firearm. You remember at the front of the video, I said I have to talk about this. So Smokey, I'm just letting the whole world know, and I'm letting the St. Lucia police know that Smokey is in New York and he's sending firearm to Bunno. And Bunno also goes by the name of Derek, and I hope the authorities have this. You understand? Because I have been giving them lots of leads, and them act as if they don't want to jump on it. Now, you heard that lady in the beginning. She is a politician and an esteemed member of the public, and she was carjacked. Now, me I tell you now, that boy our name, Smokey, is sending the firearms them. I maybe use the word alleged, back to Bunno in St. Lucia. Now, Smokey, you think me can't find you? See a picture here? See a new picture? See what you look like here, Smokey. This is an up-to-date picture with Smokey. You understand? It look like him a bleach out. I don't know him there in New York now. You understand? So I say that to say this. I hope the authorities them can jump on this one. And somebody told me that Bunno have a lot of links, and when he sees this video, he's gonna be pissed off at me and he's gonna send people after me. You know what I'm gonna tell them? Go ahead and send people after me so I can send the FBI after you, okay? Because I know everything about you. And like I said, I am giving the police them a heads up on this new gang and new alliance that has been formed called the LA gang down there in La Claire. A break off from the Conway gang run by Paned. You understand? And this is what's going on in St. Lucia. Because if people don't want to talk about it, I will talk about it. And listen, I am not afraid of you, Bunno and Smokey and the whole of Uno. All of Uno is bottom feeders.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy are some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bumbo clad, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass the front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man a touch them up, for free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from batty them ban. Harry breed them in a mile lane, check it as she see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bumbo clad, bottom feeder.
Last but not least, before I go, I hope the authorities can jump on this and slow down Bunno. Because listen, some serious things are going to happen in a Castries, in a Conway, and in the whole of St. Lucia. Because you see the new sheriff in town, he is on the move. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.